all of my crafty friends, it's Keionna. I wanted to hop on today and to come in and give you guys a personal thank you. We did my 500 subscriber hop a week ago, and man, you guys, you knocked it out of the park. I am so grateful for you guys. I've never had a video that had over 1,000 views. You guys did it. These videos that we did combined had over 1,700 comments. You guys are amazing. I am so grateful for you guys, and I'm so excited to be able to do this giveaway for you guys. So we're going to announce our winners today. We will be flipping the camera around here in just a few moments, and I will show you guys your 1,700 names. We actually went in, me and a crafty friend, and we logged every one of your names for every single comment that you provided, because I really do appreciate you guys taking the time and interacting with us, liking, subscribing, encouraging, like just being a part. Like, I am so grateful for you guys. So I did not go in and comment on a lot of the videos yet. I am slowly getting through all of my videos to comment, but I do go in and I do comment and respond and chat and answer questions, because I love interacting with you guys. Like, that is my number one reason for doing this. So make sure you're coming back and chatting with me. Don't leave me hanging. So, because I love talking to you guys. Also, if you guys need any help, if you have things that you want to see on the channel, if you have things that you're wanting help with, if there's a technique you want to see, please leave me a comment. Or we have our Facebook group. Craft Therapy is over on Facebook as well, and I will have it linked in the description. It's in the description of all of my videos. You can come over. It is a means of being able to contact me quickly. You are free to send me a private message if there's something that I can help you with, or a video that I can put in the lineup to do something for you guys. That's what this is all about. This is my primary, like really my only reason for doing it, is because I love this community. So make sure that you guys hop over to the Facebook page. We are closing in on 300, so we'll have to do something fun over there once we reach our 500 mark there. At the rate that you guys are going, we're going to be at 1,000 here on YouTube soon. So that means that we're going to have fun again, because that is what I enjoy doing, and I enjoy sharing all of the love and appreciation that you guys give to me. My ability to give is my way of saying thank you, and I enjoy every single moment that I'm able to do that. So I know you guys are like, oh, giveaway. Yes, I love to do that little piece that I can give back to you guys, because you guys really do give so much encouragement, and you give so many likes, and you give so many kind words, and it is absolutely amazing, and I appreciate that more than I'm ever going to be able to tell you guys. So enough of the mushy stuff, because I don't want to start crying or anything like that. I am going to announce the 4 winners of the other prizes, and then I will do the grand prize winner. You will have 1 week to email me at crafttherapist@gmail.com. That will also be listed in the description box. If you do not respond within 1 week, I will choose another person from the list as our winner, and that prize will go to them if they email me. Yeah, so we'll have to figure out how to get in contact with them. I may come back on and do another video, I guess. So make sure that you email me so that you can get your prizes, because I'm so excited to be able to share that with you guys. And the grand prize winner will be a U.S. winner. That is for the Cricut supplies. It's $100 worth of Cricut materials. You guys know I love using my Cricut papers, my Cricut pattern papers, and vinyl on my cards. So that's something that I decided that I wanted to give to you guys, whether it be something new for you and I would love to see you try it, or if you're already one of the Cricut fans like me, it's just more to add to your stash. So I want to see what you guys create with your prizes. So please make sure you're tagging me on social media. All that information is listed below. My Facebook, my YouTube, Instagram, and my email. So please make sure that you touch base, keep in contact. I love seeing what you guys are doing. So I think that I have said everything that I need to say face to face. We are now going to flip the camera around. I'm going to show you all of y'all's amazing names. We're going to put them in the name randomizer, and then we're going to start drawing some random numbers, and we're going to get some winners. I'm so excited. Thank you guys again. I really appreciate you guys. I would have never imagined in a million years that really getting this YouTube channel off the ground would result in such a wonderful community in such a short period of time. So I am so excited to see where we go from here. So without further ado, let's find out who our winners are. All right, let's do it. Okay, friends, here we are at the Kraft Therapist YouTube page. We are currently at 857 subscribers, guys, and quickly climbing. I am so excited for where this journey is going to take us. I just wanted to start out by, again, thanking you guys. Now I'm going to take you guys over to our Excel spreadsheet where I have kept all of your names, and we are going to start copying all of the names. Now, I am thinking that there is probably an easier way to combine all of the names and to make sure that you guys all get your fair share of entries. I, however, do not know what that way is yet. So if any of you guys have any pointers for your new YouTube friend, please feel free to leave me a comment below. Now, if there's not an easier way, trust and believe I am okay with doing this if necessary, because I truly do appreciate each of you guys taking the time to support us. So I have copied all 1,741 names, and we are going to go over to the list generator first. I am going to generate a list, and then I'm going to randomize them so that we can pick out our 5 winners. So we have all 1,741 names in our list generator. You guys, that is more than 100 comments per video. I just wanted to say thank you guys again, because I feel like that is absolutely amazing. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click randomize. This tells me that I do have 1,741 items listed. I'm just going to go through to ensure that we do not have any duplicates in here. So we don't have any duplicates. So now we're going to go in and we're going to generate us 5 random numbers. So 1,741, not 17,000, 1,741. For the first prize, we are giving away $25 to La La Land Crafts. That goes to lucky number 585. 585 is, let's see, Betty Ray. Betty Ray, you are our winner of $25 to La La Land Crafts. Winner number 2 will be number 1,157. Number 1,157 belongs to Pod Popper's Place. Pod Popper's Place. I love that name. You are my winner to a $25 gift card to Honeybee Stamps. Pod Popper's Place. Next, we have number 480. Number 480 is Elizabeth Warner. Elizabeth Warner, you are my winner to a $25 gift card to Simon Says Stamp. Elizabeth Warner, congratulations. Number 4. Our number 4 is number 622. Number 622 is Lori Hockett. Hockett. Tell me how to say that, Lori. Lori Hockett, or Hockett, I'm sorry. You are our winner to you are our winner of 2 Kit and Clowder mini classes. And finally, with our drum roll, we have number 404. Lucky number 404, you are the grand prize winner of the $100 in cricket supplies. Dawn Cooksley. So congratulations, you guys. Please make sure that you send me an email to crafttherapist@gmail.com. You have 1 week from the date of this video to respond. Otherwise, I will be forced to choose an alternate winner. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support, for all of your encouragement, for all of you guys being a part of the community, and I hope that you guys will continue to be a part of this with me. You guys have a great day, stay crafty, and I will talk to you really soon in the next video. Bye-bye.